Namaste, this is Devendra Kini, Economics Lecturer of Sri Guru Sudindra Degree College, Bhatkal. This session is related to BCom 4th semester, subject name International Economics. Topic is Establishment and Objectives of World Bank. In the previous session, we have studied about the achievements of International Monetary Fund. In this session, we are going to study about the establishment and objectives of World Bank. Like International Monetary Fund, World Bank is another international financial institution. It was established in 1945 under the Bretton Woods Agreements of July 1944 to assist in bringing about a smooth transition from wartime to peacetime economy. It is a sister institution of IMF. In legislation and finance point of view, World Bank consists of two autonomous financial institutions. In that, first one is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, also known as IBRD. Right now, it has the membership of 189 countries. Second one is International Development Association, also known as IDA. Right now, it has the membership of 173 countries. World Bank headquarters is located in the Washington, D.C., United States of America. Objectives. In international economy and development point of view, World Bank consists of following objectives. That first one is to assist in the reconstruction and development of territories of the member countries. It includes the reconstruction of the economy destroyed or disrupted by war, hence the name Bank for Reconstruction, and development of underdeveloped areas of the world, hence the name is Bank for Development. Thus, the bank was set up to facilitate and promote long-term capital investment. Second objective, to encourage the development of productive resources in the developing countries by supplying them investment capital. Productive resources are resources used to make goods and services like natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. Third objective, to supplement the private foreign investment by its own finance in case the private capital is not available on reasonable terms. Fourth objective, to promote private foreign investment by means of guarantees on participation in loans and other investment made by the private investors. Fifth objective, to promote long-term balanced growth of international trade and maintenance of equilibrium in the balance of payment by encouraging international investment in the development of productive resources of members, thereby assisting them in raising the productivity and standard of living. Sixth objective, to bring about easy transition from wartime economy to peacetime economy. Seventh objective, to help in raising the productivity, standard of living and conditions of labor in the member countries. Eighth objective, protecting the environment of the world. Ninth objective, supporting and encouraging the private business development in member countries. 10th objective, focusing on social development of member countries. 11th objective, strengthening the ability of the government of member countries to deliver quality services efficiently and transparently. Thus, the World Bank advances loans to its member countries primarily to help them in lay down the foundation of healthy economic growth. The bank gives loans either directly or through guarantees, and such loans are intended for the certain specific projects of reconstruction and development in the member countries. So this is about the establishment and objectives of World Bank. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe.